Welcome to my latest video. Today I am in Whitley Bay in the northeast of England, just a stone's throw away from Tynemouth, and this impressive building on the front is called the Spanish City. Just pause it there if you want some more information on it. And here are some sandcastles on the promenade, and way out there at sea there is a lighthouse. And here's one of the side streets in Whitley Bay, and that's the queue for the ice creams there. And a gull eating a whole burger bun there. Having a fight here. Oh, go on lad, get it down, yeah. Go on, you can do it. Get it down.